Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up alerts on Tradingview. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and just jump straight into it. Now the first thing we're going to do is to select a chart. So you want to select the chart and click on the alert button, and this is going to take you to the alert settings where you can create a new chart, a new alert. Step 2 is to create a new alert. Just create a new alert and set the conditions such as price movements or indicator signals. You can choose from various alert types, including price alerts, indicator alerts, as well as strategy alerts. Step 3 is to customize alert settings. So you can customize alert settings such as notification preferences and alert expiration. You can adjust the notification settings to receive alerts via email, SMS, or platform notifications. And step 4 is to learn how to use alerts. So you want to make sure you learn how to use alerts because that's going to help you to stay informed and be able to execute trades. Now, alerts can provide valuable insights into market movements and trends, so you want to make sure that you read up on that and properly understand how to use that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up alerts on Tradingview. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the